What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to learn Java. So, the first thing you're going to want to do is set up your Java development software, which is like where you're going to be writing your code. So I use Eclipse, and if you want to follow along with this tutorial, I recommend getting Eclipse too. So you're going to want to go to the Eclipse download page, which will give you this, and then you're going to want the Eclipse IDE for Java developers. So if you're on Windows, click this one, Mac, click this one, and Linux, click this one. So I'm on Windows, I'm going to click this one, and download. And you don't actually have to donate, you just get this. So thank you for downloading Eclipse. You should go to this page. You don't actually have to donate, but you can. So yeah, while that's downloading, the next thing you're going to want to do is download Java. So, none of your Java programs will run without this. So, download Java and agree. You can read through this if you want. So then just download that too. Both of these links will be in the description. And then with Java downloaded quicker, so yeah, just run it, and then you're gonna want to click install. It might give an error for me because I already have it, but like yeah. Anyway, so thanks for watching, and hope you have a great day. In the next video, I'm going to be actually getting into coding, so stay tuned for that. And stay healthy. Make sure you do that. Bye.